Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ajay from automationjockey.com. In previous video, we learned about email automation where we read email messages from the email server and store it to an Excel file. We also learned how to handle the attachments. The link to that video is on the top right corner and also in the description below. In this video, we learn about two commands of email automation that are delete all messages and delete a particular message. So let's begin. Let me open the task that we created last time. Edit. Okay. Here you can see that we have the commands of email automation, that is delete all message and delete message. And since we had already have this email automation line which is ready with all the settings, I will just copy these lines to a new task. So let me just copy this and the end loop command. Copy and create a new workbench and paste here. Now we are not going to have any attachments, so I will remove the attachment storing location. Click on save. And here I will be applying an if condition to make sure that we delete only those messages which has subject title as new query. So two email messages will be deleted. So let me go to if command. Variable. Click on edit. Press F2 and select the variable email subject. Okay, click on insert. Now it will be equal to the exact text, so I will just copy it from the email messages. Copy and paste here. Save. Okay, now all we need to do is just need to add delete message command. Go up, delete message. That's it, and this is how you can delete a particular message. Alright, so let me just save this particular task. Set phi hyphen email automation will be delete message, delete single message demo. Save. So let me just run the task and show you how it goes. Alright, here write the messages. Done. And this is how you can delete a particular message using email automation command in Automation Anywhere. Let me go to the new workbench task and select delete all messages. Here we need to enter all the email configuration again. This host name imap.gmail.com, username would be rpa.emailautomation@gmail.com, and the password okay, Gmail using SSL, so we have to enable that, and the port number is 993 for IMAP. Click on save and we save it, and the task name would be 5 hyphen email automation delete all message demo. Click on save, and now you can just run the task, and after that you can see all the email messages here, regardless of what the titles are, will be deleted. Okay, let me refresh it. There you go. So this is how you can work with email automation. Delete all message and delete a particular message depending on the conditions that may be required in your live environment. So these are the 3 tasks. The first one is email automation, where we have extracted all the data and stored it into the Excel file and handled the attachment as well. The second is where we have deleted a particular message with a particular subject in it. And the third one is delete all the messages. So that is all for today's session. If you have any queries, you can write down in the comment section below, and we'll make sure to answer each and every one of you. And if you like the video, please share and subscribe it. It really helps me motivate to create more content like this. Have a nice day. Thank you.